Hi there, welcome to my channel mathssl. I'm speaking Saqib Latif. I'm gonna show you another question about a proportionality question. And the question said in the sketch alongside CF parallel to DE. So the CF parallel to DE. The long one, DE is the long parallel line, the C is the short one. Obviously, this is gonna be our base. And then he says BG parallel to DF. So the BG parallel to DF. Have a look here. This is double arrow. So this is a long one. This is a short one. So obviously this is going to be our base in second triangle. We've got two triangle here. So now he said that AF is 60 centimeter, A to F is 60 centimeter, and then he say AB ratio BD is equal to 7 ratio 8. So which mean AB is 7, so we're gonna denote with x. We're gonna say let AB is equal to 7x, because remember we know the length of AF 60 centimeter. We don't know the length of 7 and 8. He didn't give us the length, so we don't know. So that's why we denote with x. We don't know what is actual length, so that's why we denote with x. We know the length of AF, that's why we write 60 centimeter. We know the length of AF, so this is the ratio. So we're gonna say AB is equal to 7x, and then the BD is gonna be is equal to 8x. So now AB is a 7x, this is 7x, and the BD is 8x. Now, so you say AF is 3 over 2 FE. So must remember, in previous question I explained to you that if you need to FE is string with we need to isolate the 3 over 2. So the FE gonna be under AF. So both sides you divide by FE and FE cancel, and this side gonna be AF over FE, and that's gonna be equal to 3 over 2. Now obviously this is a different length, so we're gonna denote with another variable. So we can say the AF is equal to AF, we can say 3y, and FE we can say 2y, right? So now we need to write also. So the AF is 3y, FE is 2y. Now the first question he asks you, determine the length of FE. You can write in exam, even in answer book they will give you the sketch like this. You can write all these details on that sketch. Alright, the question says determine the length of FE. The length of FE, he looking the length, actual length. Remember, this 2y is not the actual length. So obviously now we have that side. There's many ways to solve this one, but this is the easiest way. So because we have the AF 3y, and at the same time actual length is 60 centimeter, so we're going to solve this question. Let me show you how. So we have AF, which is 3y. Now but the AF is 60 centimeter, yes. So we're gonna equate 3y is equal to 60 centimeter. So the y is gonna be a 60 divided by 3 is gonna be 20. So the y is equal to 20. That's the y value. So which means we need to find now this FE is 2y. So therefore FE is gonna be y value, we got 20 now. 2y, 2 place of y we substitute 20. The answer is gonna be a 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. Second question, he says determine the length of AG. So the AG, where is the AG? AG is here. AG. He looking the length of AG now. We need to see the AG on which triangle. AG is on triangle. Uh, AG is on this triangle. This one. The double arrow parallel side triangle. Let me highlight for you. So this is I highlight the triangle. This is the triangle. We're gonna apply the proportionality theorem here. AG we're looking. So the AG, we can say AG over AF, because we do have the AF 60 centimeter. And this side we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna say AB over AD. Now, so we're gonna say AG over AF is equal to AB over AD, line parallel side of triangle. So have a look here. One time more. AG over AF, because we have to see in which triangle this side is laying. We're gonna use the triangle, this double arrow parallel side. This is a long base, and this is a short parallel line. And now obviously, so we have to match it. On the left hand side is gonna be AB over AD. So the AG we don't know, we need to find. Whatever you need to find, we start from that side first. So the AF we do have 60 centimeter. Have a look here. AF 60. Now, and the AB we have 7x, but to A to D we need to find. You can write on your sketch like this in exam also. So the AB 7, AD is gonna be 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. Have a look here. AB is 7 and the BD is 8. So AD is gonna be 7 plus 8 is 15. So 7x over 15x. AB is 7x, AD is 15x. Now x and x cancel. Now cross multiply. 15AG is equal to 7 times 60 is gonna be a 420. Now therefore AG is gonna be a 420 divided by 15. The answer will be 28 centimeter. So we find the AG now. That's the answer, 28 centimeter. Second part of the question, he say if AB is 21 centimeter, determine the length of AD. So you're looking at the length of A to D now, and he says if AB is 21, this AB is 21 centimeter. So AB is 21 centimeter, and you can see we have a clash here. 7x is equal to 21 centimeter. So we're gonna equate now 7 to find the x value here. So 7x is equal to 21 centimeter. So it's gonna be a 7x is equal to 21, and the x value is gonna be a 21 over 7, 3 centimeter. So therefore AD is gonna be a, must remember AD is 15y. So place of, sorry, AD is 15x. So the place of x we're gonna substitute 3. So answer gonna be 45 centimeter. So this is for question number second part. The first part we're done. So this is AD is 45 centimeter. Have a look here. So A to D is 45, because 15x, place of x we put 3. 15 times 3 is gonna be a 45. A second question quite interesting. He say find the BC. So the BC is here. To find the BC, obviously BC is, we cannot use these line now. We have to use now to find the BC. So BC, B laying on the double arrow and the C laying on the single arrow parallel lines. So to find the BC, so obviously I can have to find the first AC. because A to B we have, which is 21, and then we have B to D also, and A to D as well, 45 now. But now B to C, in order to find B to C, we need to find the AC. Then we can minus the AB to get the BC. You understand me? To get the BC, you need to find the AC. From the AC, you're going to minus the AB, then you're going to get the length of BC. So the AC is laying on the on the single arrow parallel side. So have a look here, these parallel lines, these parallel lines. So the CF parallel to DF laying on this one. So we're gonna use now these lines to and we're gonna apply the proportionality theorem to find the AC. So this is a long, DE is a long uh, parallel line, is the base, and the CF is a short parallel line, and obviously, so we need to apply the proportionality theorem on the sides. So we're gonna find the AC now. Have a look here. So the AC, I'm gonna say AC over AD, because we do have the AD 45 centimeter, and we have to match it on the right hand side. So it's gonna be a AF over AE. Have a look. So I'm gonna say AC over AD is equal to AF over AE, line parallel one side of triangle. This is the reason, you must give the reason. Now AC we need to find, we don't know. But the AD we do know, 45 centimeter. We did find earlier, we found earlier. AD we found earlier 45 centimeter. So the AD is 45 is equal to AF. AF, have a look here. Very important to look here. A to D we find 45, AF we got 60. Now AF we got 60 and FE we got 40. So the AE gonna be a 60 plus 40 is 100. Have a look here. AF 60, FE is 40, and the AE is gonna be 60 plus 40 is 100. So become 100. Now we need to cross multiply. 100 AC is equal to this is gonna cross multiply 2700, and the AC is gonna be a 2700 divided by 100. The answer gonna be a 27 centimeter. Now we need to easy. The question is easy. Now we need to find the. Have a look here. So we have AC we have 27. So we need to find the BC, and the AB we got 21. So the AC is 27, AB is 21, and the BC is gonna be 27 minus 21 is gonna be a 6. Have a look here. So the BC is gonna be AC minus AB, 27 minus 21, 6 centimeter. This is my final answer. Have a look here. AC we got 27, AB we got 21, so we need to find the BC. So the full length AC 27 minus this AB 21, that's gonna be BC length, that's gonna be 6 centimeter. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, comment below. I will assist you. Have a nice day.